So with all these different types of implant supported complete dentition restoration, that would be a better way to put it, because they're not dentures. You have anything from a roundhouse, which is either semi-removable, which I can only remove, cemented in place, or your old dentures that are stabilized, you don't move around anymore. The benefits are an increased chewing efficiency, better ability to speak, security in different situations. In the case of the fixed uppers, you taste your food better. And with increased chewing efficiency, you get better nutrition. So it's healthier. They're healthier for you.